Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Barun Education. So today I am going to discuss about fear. So while speaking English, everyone faced fear, and also when I was practicing English, so that time also I faced many times, not only one times, many times I have faced in this problem. Actually fear, what is fear? Actually we have to understand. First of all, we have to know what is fear. Actually when I speak, when you speak, that time you feel fear. If I talk about, if I say wrong sentence, so what is happening, what will be happened, actually you think this is a fear, not only other things. So if you practice every day, so really in my opinion, if you practice every day, so you can remove this type of fear. So if you have to practice, you have to practice. If you practice every day, really it will be gradually increase, it will be gradually remove your fearness. So really in this time I am making many mistakes and I am not good in this language really, but I have some confidence because I was practicing. Actually I have been practicing almost 1 year, but almost 1 year, it may be. So that's why I have some experience and I have some confidence, so that's why I am making video. But really when I make this video, so obviously in this time, in this video also, actually something, not only everything, but something actually I speak wrong. Everyone make wrong when they make video first times. But if you practice every day, if you make every day, so it will be actually improve. So actually I would like to say, if you want to remove your fear, so you have to practice. One thing is that practice, you have to practice lots of time you have to practice, so you can remove your fearness. Otherwise you can't remove your fear. Because in my personal opinion, actually I am from village, but obviously in this time I have fear, but I have little bit fear, not only big. So that's why I would like to say, if you practice every day, so you can remove your fearness. Otherwise you can't remove your fear. Fear is just actually fear takes lots of practice. If you practice, so you can remove. It's a very easy topic, it's a very easy thing, but you have to understand, you have to focus these things. You are watching this video, so actually you have to focus your mind. Actually if I learn anything, so I have to focus on this topic. Actually in this time I am making this video and you are watching this video, so you have to focus in this video. What am I saying, what am I trying to speak? So you have to focus. Actually I am saying about fear. I am from West Bengal and my actually native language is Bengali. I can speak Bengali very well, and also I can speak Hindi. And in this time I am learning this language. But obviously I have faced lots of time, and also I will face, and in this time also I am facing. So what will I do? Actually I know, and everyone know, if I practice every day, so we can remove our fearness. Otherwise we can't remove our fear. So it's a easy topic, it's a easy thing, but we have to practice every day. It's a challenging thing, but you have to take because you want to improve this language. If you want to improve this language, so you have to practice. It's a very easy thing, and it's a very easy thing, I can say. So in my opinion, I think you got it, my point, what am I saying. If you don't understand what am I saying, so you can comment this below in this video. So I will tell you after next video. So I think you are understanding everyone. So I think actually I have to finish this video. So thanks for watching this video. Bye bye and see you again.